Hey, Caitlin.
What?
You say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
And Nana and Papa?
Uh-huh. Say hi.
Hi. You swimming? You like to swim, huh?
Uh-huh.
You want to come out of the pool?
No.
No. You like to swim or you love to swim? Yeah.
I feel.
No, it goes in the water. This one goes in the water.
No.
Yeah.